Hey everyone, this is going to be a tutorial on how to you log in as a parent on ClassDojo to be able to communicate with your teacher. What you want to be able to do is you want to download the ClassDojo app. Okay, it looks something like that from your app store. So after you download the ClassDojo app, you will go on there, and then it's going to ask you what you are. So you're going to say, "I'm a parent." And if you already have a ClassDojo parent account, you will say, I already have an account. If you don't have an account, you will then input your information. Okay? So after you input your information, you're going to get the code that is given to you by your teacher to be able to link up with the student. So you could do that without initially creating an account. For example, if you haven't created an account and you want to connect, you will input the code right here. You probably got a code that looks something like this, a piece of paper from your teacher, or an email with a link. Okay, so after you do that, you're going to input the code right over here, and then you're going to say check code, and then you're going to confirm. For example, right here, we could see that Stevie is going to be confirmed, or Steve is going to be confirmed into. You check to make sure the teacher is correct, and then you will say, I am so-and-so's parent, the blue button there. So after you do that, if you haven't created an account, you can fill in the boxes. If you already have an account, well, you'll see right now what we'll do with that. Okay, so you could say sign up, okay? Your student will appear there, okay? Now, if you want to connect another student, you will hit add student. Let's say you have more than one child at the school, you will hit add student, and then you will put in another code that was given to you. Or you can search for your child's teacher. Okay? So you could type in the information there and search for it. Okay? So that's how you will connect with ClassDojo to be able to see your student or communicate with your student's teacher, and also see how his behavior is doing and the different announcements that there are. The platform is very similar on iOS or Android, so you could do that. But let's do one important thing to note. Okay, when you have your account settings, or when you set this up, please make sure that your language of preference is set correctly. If you speak English primarily, then set English. If you speak Spanish primarily, you might want to change that into one of the many languages there. Okay, that way, when you do receive messages or announcements from the teacher, it will translate to the correct language. Okay, that's very important. So please make sure that you set your language in the preferences there. Okay, that was a tutorial on how to use Seesaw, or sorry, not Seesaw, to use ClassDojo as a parent, and hope you enjoy.